My name is Carlos Human, I'm a tattoo artist from Latvia and you are watching my channel.
Oh yeah!
Today's episode is a special one because of two things. First thing, my good friend from Denmark asked me if I have time to make a t-shirt design for his music record studio. And of course, I have time for my friends. And second thing, today I want to show you how I fixed my mistakes. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet and you like what I'm doing, this is the right time to do it. Alright, let's dive into the sketching part, layers after layers. It takes time to prepare design before you even start to make outlines on a watercolor paper. There's a lot of things that I learned from tattooing during the years, and one of them is to be patient with your paintings. Alright, lines are done, everything went smooth, and next step is the shading part. Let's go!
Let's go, champ!
This ink I'm using is a pre-mixed gray wash that I mixed it before the session. I normally do that so you don't waste too much time on mixing it every time you want to paint something. And for the black I use dynamic black ink, but usually it's used for tattooing. I've seen a lot of tattoo artists use that ink for their paintings and it works perfectly. The only thing, I usually put few drops of water into the black ink so the ink is not too thick.
Water shatter, you fucking soulless, Holy Ghost with some dark matter. A shameful vortex sucks you in, don't make you better. You drive the stain, but the residue is splashed and splattered space jump.
3 in the morning, my eyes are sore, I cannot see no more. I'll take a break. First thing in the morning, I'll finish this one. So, let's go!
Now it's time for colors, and this is my favorite part of all the painting process. I think when you put colors in your painting, it gives a life to your painting. Of course it's a matter of taste, and there's many opinions, but for me, it's all about colors. I did a mistake. I decided to do this weird red shading on top of this girl's face, and I didn't like how it looked straight away. Sometimes you want to just try something that you kind of feel like it's gonna work, but it turns out it didn't work. And that's why I decided to show you guys how to fix these things, because it helps a lot to me. A few years ago, I was guest spotting in Holland in a tattoo shop in Eindhoven, and I found out there's this art store nearby the shop. I took a walk to that art store, and first thing I saw was these arrow colors. So I bought them, I bring them back home, and this white one was sitting in a shelf for some months. So one day I'm doing this flash sheet and I splashed all over with this gray ink to this freshly done flash sheet. So I started using this white color to cover these dirty splashes on these white areas. I started getting more used to this white. It's kind of thick color. So one day I decided maybe I could mix this white with red, and that red will become thick like this white. So I could cover other things than white areas. This color helped heaps. Guys, if you knew about this thing, let me know in the comments section. I would like to hear what do you guys think. Let's go to that fixing part and let's check out how I'm covering that red nasty shadow. Finally, I'm done. I'm super happy how it turned out. It took me 14 hours to paint that madness. I can't wait for the next project. I hope you guys liked what I'm doing. Don't forget to subscribe and leave the comment below and push the like button. It makes my day. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye. So, is it gonna be? Nope.